Okay, so Rajiv, let's proceed ahead with your HR for post of Technical Officer D in Heavy Water Board, which is
Right.
under Department of Atomic Energy. So let's proceed ahead. I want your very brief introduction.
Yes, sir. I am Rajiv Kumar Das. I am actually from Odisha, Balesar district. I did my 10th from Odisha itself with 82%. After that, I did my 12th from Odisha itself. It's 72%. And I did engineering in mechanical department from Government College of Engineering with CGPA 8.13. After that, I joined as a JRF graduate apprentice trainee in C. Bangalore. Then I joined in IIT Patna as a project staff. There I have associated with different project. There I have worked almost 2 years. Then I joined in IIT Ropur as a junior lab assistant in 2018. From 2018 onwards, I'm here only as a junior lab assistant. I'm the lab in charge, staff lab in charge in thermofield lab in IIT Ropur. So
Which
I'm
lab you are working presently?
thermofield lab. This lab name is thermofield
Thermofield
lab.
lab.
Yeah. So this lab has have different equipment related to thermal and fluid, and
Hmm.
I am the staff in charge of this lab. And mostly I do conduct the experiments with the student and prepare some technical specification for new equipment. Like
Mhm.
these are my job here,
Mhm.
and this is my and this is how.
Okay. Now, tell me, Rajiv, why you left C dot job?
This is I didn't left. Like this is a 1 year graduate apprentice trainee.
Hmm.
So they have restricted from 1 year only.
Hmm.
They are not going to absorb after 1 year.
Hmm.
This is like graduate apprentice trainee job.
Okay.
So it is only 1 year.
And what were you doing there?
There I was working in a very small group. This is because this is a telecom industry PSU sector, but
Yes.
the small unit is a mechanical unit.
Hmm.
They are mostly I was doing as they give me some 2D drawing. There I've got some experience in the Autodesk Inventor. So
Hmm.
what I have to do, I create from 2D drawing to 3D drawing,
Hmm.
and this is mostly 6 months I did these things. They have different products, like mostly the product are using in server system and some computer that chassis these things.
Hmm.
They have manufacturing sheet metal things mostly.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
they have different engineer was there. So they also give me that only the 2D drawing sheet, and I have to, like, I used to draw the 2D drawing to extract the 3D model.
Okay.
And 6 months I did these things. After they shifted to me their inventory, then there I some collected some product and management the inventory. 6 months I was there.
Hmm.
This is 1 year I got this.
And then in IIT Patna, you worked almost 2 years, right? IIT
Yes,
Patna.
sir. Yes.
So as a JRF. So which domain you were
Uh,
working in?
there actually this cluster, different cluster. Like my project name is clinical gap analysis. They
Hmm.
have the TIFAC, the funding there.
Hmm.
So the more I was working mostly like there are some in Bihar and West Bengal. They have some cluster like different manufacturing unit. They have
Hmm.
working traditionally. Like can I say like
Hmm.
that brass metal cluster.
Hmm.
Because actually they are doing the thali and kotora these things, and so our job was there to find the gap, because
Hmm.
they are doing the traditionally, right? They don't have any technical state of the art technology. So
Hmm.
the main idea was the project was that to visit this cluster and
Hmm.
see the processes, what the processes they are doing for the final product,
Hmm.
and find the gap and
Hmm.
provide them the state of the art technology.
Hmm.
And also we have done some sensation workshop there to give their a lot of market, how they advertising their product to different domain. These
Hmm.
are the main work was there.
Now, if I come to IIT Ropar, you're
Yeah.
a junior lab assistant now in
Yes.
thermofluid lab. So,
Yes,
what
sir.
experiments you are working on? Which
uh, uh, as I said, like that equipment related to thermal and fluid.
hmm.
So, like example, in fluid we have viscometer and Pelton turbine, Francis turbine. We have Bernoulli experiments. We have Osborne Reynolds. We have reciprocating pump, air compression. The fluid related. In heat transfer, we have forced convection, natural convection, Stephen-Boltzmann constant experiment, and critical heat flux, and these are the things equipment mainly we do.
So now tell me, Rajiv, all your experience, this all years of experience, how it is relevant to a heavy water board?
Heavy water board, I think that we have seen what are the equipment we have. These are small things. We do experiment there. In the plant, they have put these equipment only we can find there, like air compressor, different pumps. So I think these are the whatever the experience I gained through my project staff, my graduate apprentice training, and this technical assistant. I can think I can explore more things there, and as a mechanical engineer to work as a like prestigious industry, and is a like a constituent unit of Department of Atomic Energy of Government of India. So it's a matter of pride or great honor for me to work or to associate with the heavy water plant. That's why.
Okay, so presently you are working on the experimental setup of turbines, hydraulic turbines, right?
Hydro turbines and some
Which turbines you are working on?
Pelton turbine we have, Francis turbine we have.
Okay. So can you tell me what is cavitation and which kind of turbine it phenomena occurs of cavitation?
Cavitation mainly this occur in Francis turbine because there we extract energy both pressure and velocity, kinetic energy we can say. So both the energy we require for extraction of meaningful mechanical energy. So mostly we can see in cavitation Francis turbine because cavitation is a phenomenon. If you in a particular temperature, if you go below the vapor pressure, whatever the material liquid you are using, the pump, water, if you go that below the vapor pressure, in particular temperature, water temperature, operating temperature, then there may be some cavitation occur. Cavitation does not mean that they boil. The main thing is that after the boiling, they collapse. This is the boiling and collapsing with the associated phenomena. We can say cavitation. They made danger to injure to that blade. These are things we are used to avoid.
Rajiv, can you tell me the vapor pressure of water at room temperature?
The actual value.
Yeah.
3.2 kilopascal.
Are you sure about that?
I'm not sure, but I think 3.2 kilo because it's very less. 3.2 kilopascal.
Can you tell me some another devices in which you observe the cavitation?
Yes, in centrifugal pump we observe cavitation because they are also you create suction pressure.
What about draft tube?
Draft tube in Francis turbine, mostly in reaction turbine you use draft tube to extract more energy. Whatever the hydraulic energy we have, we extract more energy. It's an integral part of turbine. It's not a separate part. Draft tube is the integral part of energy. So whatever the kinetic energy wasted, if you don't use draft tube, so most of the kinetic energy going to waste. So to extract the kinetic energy to pressure energy, mostly draft tube use, and many things. Many things also significance of draft tube, like we can place our turbine above the tail.
Can you tell me what is net positive suction head?
Yes, mostly this one you use in pump mostly. The net positive suction head is that whatever the pressure head available, the suction side of pump, and whatever the pressure in that vapor pressure head. If you subtract what are the net pressure head and the suction minus and whatever the actual the vapor pressure head, if you subtract these things.
What is its significance?
Its significance that every pump manufacturer, they have some net positive suction head required. They have already provided us, and we calculate what are the net positive suction head available. The main significance is to avoid the cavitation mostly, because if you operate the NPS level below that available, then maybe there are chances to form cavitation. Because
okay, why don't you observe the cavitation in compressor? Why only in pump?
Compressor, which compressor? Means
any compressor.
Sir, actually in compressor that the medium is air. Mostly that whatever we're doing is air. So in compressor that boiling and collapsing, this phenomena will not happen because whatever they are in air, this is very less pressure. So we mostly didn't see in
okay, so now let's come to can you tell me who is the Minister of Department of State, Department of Atomic Energy?
The name,
the ministry under which Department of Technology, this Department of Atomic Energy comes?
Mm, I don't know, sir.
मतलब आप जो हैवी वाटर बोर्ड में काम करोगे तो मिनिस्टर कौन होगा आपका?
Means Department Atomic Energy in Government of India. उस this
तो
department.
गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का कोई मिनिस्टर तो होता है?
Yes, yes,
जिस
right.
भी डिपार्टमेंट में आप काम करोगे किसी मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर काम करोगे, राइट?
The Department of Energy or Ministry of Energy.
Is there any Ministry of Energy?
No, the technology have ministry where that Ministry of Technology that.
Who is Ministry of Technology?
Now the name of this railway minister and technology both one person is there. So I'm actually
Okay.
I can't remind them.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the meaning of heavy water and why is this used? What is the application of it?
Yes, right, sure, sir. Sir, heavy water is a form of water only, but its the main constituent element is deuterium. It's the isotope of hydrogen with extra neutron in that nucleus. Mostly the use of heavy water in nuclear power plant. We use heavy water as a moderator and coolant in the nuclear power plant, where that only that.
Tell me the difference between moderator and coolant.
Moderator, the moderator meaning is that it slow down the fast process of that fusion process. The coolant process it take up the heat.
Okay, so why do we need to reduce the energy of neutron?
Yes. So actually, what happened? Mostly that heavy water used in when I use natural uranium as a nuclear power plant, then only we use heavy water as a coolant and moderator. Because in natural uranium, the lot of neutrons are once the fusion process starts, lot of neutrons are emitted. If you don't absorb that neutron, that will again collide with that fusion element. That mostly
you are reducing number of neutrons or you are reducing their speed?
Both. With the mostly reduce the speed, not the.
There is something which is called control rod also. You know control rod?
Yes, right, sir.
That is used to reduce the number of neutrons.
Yes,
not moderator.
Yes, main significance as a slow.
Why do you slow the neutron speed? That is my question.
Absorb the most.
Not absorbing neutron,
saying that
reducing the speed.
Yes, the mostly that what happened that once the fusion process starts in that natural uranium case, then that emitted neutron, the more number of neutrons are emitted. Once their chain reaction, more of the chain reaction, uncontrolled reaction that if you not absorb the neutron, they may collide with another neutron. Means then again they emitted more lot of neutrons. So this may be uncontrolled reaction maybe will happen. So that to control the reaction, to mostly use a heavy water to.
Okay. Do you know what is rare metal?
Yes, rare metal. Those are.
You know that heavy water board is also into extraction of rare metals?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rare metal like those are used different.
Can you name some rare metals? और periodic table आपने देखा है periodic table?
Yes. Thorium is a rare metal. One of thorium, different thorium, palladium, the one.
Thorium इंडिया में rarely मिलता है या बहुत ज़्यादा मिलता है?
They're mostly available in thorium because in like in Kerala, they Indian researchers find a fast breeder reactor. They build a prototype fast breeder reactor. They use thorium as a.
इंडिया में तो थोरियम बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Yes,
तो उसको रेयर क्यों बोलते हैं?
रेयर मीन सर अब तक वो एक्सट्रैक्शन नहीं हुआ है, मतलब प्रोसेस अंडर प्रोसेस पे, मतलब है अवेलेबल, किंतु एक्सट्रैक्शन प्रोसेस भी तो होना चाहिए उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के लिए.
अच्छा, हैवी वाटर बोर्ड का कोई प्लांट बताओ जो आपके भुवनेश्वर के पास में.
Yes sir, the mostly 7 plant is there heavy water board. One is in Talcher near to Bhubaneswar.
उसमें क्या काम होता है तालचेर में?
They used to produce that heavy water by ammonia hydrogen process. Ammonia hydrogen, there are 2 processes in India. Mostly they use to production of heavy water. One is ammonia hydrogen exchange process, and one is water and hydrogen sulfide exchange process. By two process, they used to produce the heavy water.
Okay, Rajiv, do you know where is the headquarter of Department of Atomic Energy?
Yes, Mumbai.
And who is the chief executive of Heavy Water Board?
So I don't know.
Okay, now let me give you the feedback, Rajiv. देखो आपका जो नॉलेज आपको है, लेकिन एक जो ब्लफ आप मार रहे हो ना, वो डेंजरस हो सकता है आपके लिए. यू आर ब्लफिंग अ लॉट. लाइक मॉडरेटर का काम जो होता है ना, वो न्यूट्रॉन की स्पीड को कम करना होता है. कंट्रोल रॉड जो होती है वो न्यूट्रॉन को खा जाता है, वो नंबर कम करता है. और तुम यहाँ पे जस्टिफाई कर रहे थे कंट्रोल रॉड एज मॉडरेटर. ऐसे ऐसे अगर पता नहीं है तो इनकार कर दो. जैसे वेपर प्रेशर कितना है वाटर का, अगर पता नहीं है तो सोचो सर आई कैन ओनली गेस बट आई एम नॉट श्योर. बी वेरी वेरी श्योर इफ यू आंसर. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी किस मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर आता है ये तुम्हें पता नहीं है, लेकिन तुम गेस मार रहे हो. तुमने पूरे इंटरव्यू में बहुत जगह पे ब्लफ मारा है, टेक्निकल भी और एचआर में भी, और वो तुम्हारे लिए डेंजरस हो सकता है. ब्लफ मत मारो. जहां नहीं पता चुप हो जाओ, कोई उसका क्रेडिट मिलेगा. स्पीड अपनी कम करो आंसर करने की, सोच के फिर आंसर करो. वो कोई आपको उसको टाइम देगा आपको सोचने का. मॉडरेटर का जो काम होता है ना, स्पीड कम करना होता है. बिकॉज जब तुम स्पीड कम करते हो तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ हिटिंग बढ़ जाती है. कोलिजन का प्रोबेबिलिटी बढ़ जाता है जब स्पीड कम करते हैं. और जो अनकंट्रोल्ड रिएक्शन है उसके लिए कंट्रोल रॉड होती है जिसमें न्यूट्रॉन को खा जाता है. बिल्कुल अलग फंक्शन है. हैवी वाटर का जो काम है वो मॉडरेटर एंड कूलेंट का काम है, कंट्रोल रॉड का नहीं. उसके बाद रेयर मेटल तुम्हें पता नहीं है. रेयर मेटल जाओ और चेक करो रेयर मेटल है क्या. हैवी वाटर बोर्ड 3 काम करता है, उसमें से 2 काम है. एक आपका हैवी वाटर D2O प्रोड्यूस करना, और हैवी वाटर में इंडिया वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर है. और रेयर मेटल्स को रेयर मेटल क्यों बोलते हैं, पीरियोडिक टेबल पे कुछ नाम याद कर लो इनके. और डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी प्राइम मिनिस्टर के अंडर आता है, तो डायरेक्ट वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर के अंडर है. एंड जो अभी चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव रिसेंटली बने हैं जितेंद्र श्रीवास्तव. तो ये थोड़ा सा आप वेबसाइट विजिट करो और सारा इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करो. और कैविटेशन वगैरह आपने एक्सप्लेन किया है, लेकिन ऐसे एक्सप्लेन किया जैसे लेमैन एक्सप्लेन करता है. टेक्निकल टर्म्स में एक्सप्लेन करना है तुम्हें, राइट. तो उसको टेक्निकल टर्म्स में एक्सप्लेन करो. एंड थोड़ा सा उस तरीके से रुक के आंसर करो. डोंट बी इन रश, right? This is how you have to proceed. Got it, Rajiv?
Yes, sir.
When is your interview?
The date they didn't publish now.
Prepare well. You need to prepare well.
Any other feedback?
And one more thing, जो भी आपने काम किया अभी तक, जितना भी एक्सपीरियंस है, उसका हैवी वाटर से क्या रिलेशन है वो थोड़ा सा आइडेंटिफाई करो. बोलो सर आई एम डीलिंग विद द टेक्निकल टर्म्स एंड डीलिंग विद द मशीन्स एंड apparatus, so I think my knowledge to deal with machines and manpower working on the machine is something which I've learned, which will be very helpful to me once I join heavy water board. मशीनों पे तो काम किया ही है ना, वहां पे भी यही करना पड़ेगा. वही मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है. बोलो सर, राइट?
And sir, in the terms of like appearance, like what should I wear, like anything special, or simply I can go any specification to like related to.
हाँ, आप अपना जो परसेंटेज वगैरह ना, बीटेक का इतना परसेंट आया, CGP आया, वो बताने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है आपको. You need not to tell that. No experience.
और सर ये मतलब अपीयरेंस कैसा होना चाहिए, मतलब जाने के टाइम पे, मतलब
आपको टाई डालनी है और दाढ़ी वाड़ी अच्छे तरीके से साफ करनी है और टाई लगानी है और स्मार्ट बन के तब जाना है. और बाकी तो ठीक है, वो उसमें ज्यादा बॉदर नहीं करेंगे वो लोग, लेकिन आंसर्स वगैरह में बॉदर करेंगे, राइट?
सो मींस टेक्निकल सर मेरा मतलब व्हाट द फीडबैक अबाउट मींस
टेक्निकल तुम्हें इंप्रूव करना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा टेक्निकल टर्म्स ढंग से आपको करनी पड़ेंगे. वैसे तो आंसर दे रहे हो तुम, लेकिन थोड़ा सा रुक के आंसर दो, सो दैट टेक्निकली साउंड आंसर आए तुम्हारे पास. तुम जल्दी के केस में अपना आंसर बिगाड़ दे रहे हो. थोड़ा सा रुक के पेशेंस का आंसर करो. बाकी टेक्निकल तुम्हारा जो है वो ठीक है, कोई ट्रबल नहीं है उसमें, नॉलेज है तुम्हें, लेकिन थोड़ा आराम से आंसर करो बस, राइट?
और सर एनी माय डाउट इज दैट जो प्रोसेस होता है हेवी वाटर प्रोडक्शन का इंडिया में, तो उसके बारे में कुछ पूछ सकते हैं कि कैसे हम करते हैं?
देखो आप वेबसाइट पर डिटेल में पढ़ो और कॉपी लो, पेन लो और वेबसाइट पे डिटेल में जाओ.
मैंने सर वेबसाइट मेरे मतलब मैंने जितना भी सर्च किया है 1 मंथ हो गया, तो पता नहीं मुझे मॉडरेटर और कूलेंट में क्या कंट्रोलर में तरह मैं कंफ्यूज हो
नहीं
गया।
तो तुम्हें तो चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव का भी नाम नहीं पता।
मतलब याद था लेकिन जितेंद्र श्रीवास्तव, वो तो मैंने
वेबसाइट पे
भूल गया।
लिखो उसको कॉपी पे ना सारा।
हाँ लिख दिया मैंने वो नोट डाउन कर लिया। सर ये चीज है कि जो प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस है वो
हम्म,
उन लोग मुझे पूछेंगे कि मुझे
मेरे को नहीं
उसके लिए
लगता,
पिक
मेरे को
तो
लगता और नहीं आता तो इनकार कर देना।
क्योंकि मेरे कुछ मैं जो आईआईटी में हूँ तो मेरे कुछ पीएचडी फ्रेंड है यहाँ पे, तो मैं उनसे प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस भी कुछ जान आइडिया करूँ कि उसमें टाइम
उसकी
वेस्ट ना
रिक्वायरमेंट
करूँ।
नहीं है, जो जो चीज नहीं पता तो उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं, लेकिन बेसिक क्वेश्चन नहीं तुम्हें उसमें नहीं आना चाहिए। नंबर तब करते हैं कि तुम्हें बेसिक चीज ना आती हो।
ओके दैट्स इट। तो जो
जैसे
इक्विपमेंट मैं ये कर रहा हूँ एक्सपेरिमेंट सारे, तो उसमें सब कुछ पूरा नॉलेज जो भी उसके बिहाइंड थ्योरी है वो प्रॉपर गेन करके जाना पड़ेगा।
आपसे वो एक्सपेक्ट करेगा कि लैब असिस्टेंट हो तो आपको काम अच्छा आता हो उसका, ये
और सर
एक्सपेक्ट
जो
करेगा।
एक पॉइंट था जो मैं कैसे इसको लिंक करूँ हेवी वाटर बोर्ड को, कि मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो अगर थोड़ा एक बार सर मुझे
ये यूट्यूब पे ये तुम्हें मिल जाएगा वीडियो, डोंट वरी।
ओके
मैंने आंसर दे दिया है उसका ना, कैसे आपने करना है। वो मशीन्स का आई एम वर्किंग ऑन द मशीन्स एंड दैट आई विल बी वर्किंग देयर आल्सो सर। तो उसी की हैंडलिंग जो मैंने सीखा है 2 साल 4 साल में, वो मेरे को हेल्पफुल रहेगा। वही आंसर देना है आपने उसका, राइट। दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू deal it. So I'm already working in a fluid and thermal domain. So heavy water board में भी सर मेरा fluid and thermal domain रहेगा। तो आई थिंक मेरे को वहां पे उसका बेनिफिट मिलेगा उसका वर्किंग, राइट। ऐसे करो राजीव। चलो ऑल द बेस्ट राजीव।